Hello. Hello. How do you Okay, so this is a question of conditional probability. For that, I must tell you conditional probability. I will use this article of where I have explained this conditional. What is probability? Basically, I have written an article about probability and different kinds of probability, how to calculate probability. Okay, okay. Let it image still. Okay, I will switch to So, this is an article where I have explained about it, probability in multiple things. So, in this video, I'm just going to talk about conditional probability. So, conditional probability is the probability where we are calculating what is the probability of event B happening when event A has already happened. Event A, given event A is done, what is the probability of event B? For this, I have used in another example in this article, but right now I'm going to use another example to explain you how to calculate conditional probability. Given when condition B is there, we switch to this equation first. The question I am addressing over here is when two dice are rolled at the same time, what is the probability that number 4 has appeared at least once and sum of both dice found to be 8? Like I want to say that uh, the I want to say that when two dice are rolled, the number which come on both dice, the total of those numbers should be 8, and uh, condition is that it has to be 8 and there has to be one 4 at least. At least one dice has to have a number 4 and the total of both dice has to be 8. What is the probability of that? To understand this, the formula or function used in probability or stats is this. This says that probability of A given B is calculated by probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B. So, if you are not aware how to calculate probability and everything, you can refer to this article. It is available on my website CuriousClub.in. Okay. You can refer to this article. I have explained in detail what is probability, what is sample space, what is usually event and everything. Okay. So I'll stick to this conditional probability for this video. So here I am saying that what is the probability of event A given condition B is calculated by probability of A intersection B. So probability of A intersection probability of B divided by probability of B. Okay, you got the question. Now I'll go to the, I'll use Excel to explain this one. Okay, think that is much better. Okay. Uh, so what is the sample case? Like the sample space when we are calculating, when we are rolling a dice, what is the sample space? So there could be one, right? First dice could come with a one, two, three, four, five, six, right? Later one, two, 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 three, four, five, like that. And the second dice could also be the same way, right? It can also come the same way, right? It can also come like this. So what is the problem? What is the sample total sample space? Total sample space will be by 6. 6 into 6. Total sample space. Right? It is going to be 6 into 6. There could be total 36 outcomes when you are rolling two dice at the same time. One dice has 6 sides. So multiplying 6 by 6 is total 36 sample cases. So what is the probability of condition A? First, we'll speak about condition A. It has to be, there has to be 1 4 in 1 4 has to be there, right? Whatever result we have got. So it will come like if we get 4 here, right? We are having all of these, right? 4, and there will be these events. There we are going to have 4. So trying to say that out of total 36 events, there are 11 events, 11 cases where there will be at least one 4. Like 4 has to be there. So this is 11, right? And what is the for condition B? What is the probability out of 36? So how many times there can be a total of 8? The total of 8 will be, if you look, see this, if you have 1, it is not going to be 1, 2, no, 1, 3, no. I mean, I'm adding the numbers. 1 is not equal to 8. So in the same way, if you add 1 into any of these numbers, it's not going to be 8. You add 2 with 6, it is going to be an 8. Right? 6. This one is going to be 8. Right? It's 8. Sorry, I didn't note it. Okay. This is what I'm talking about. I said that there are 6 events. There are 6 events. Okay. In total, out if you multiply 6 by 6, it is going to be total 36 events. Okay. Out of which, how many events are going to fulfill condition A, which is there has to be a 4. So there is going to be 11 cases where it will be 11. 11 cases, 11 events where it is going to fulfill the condition A, which is there has to be a 4. Condition B is the sum should be 8, right? Sum should be 8. Now we are figuring out that how many possibilities are there where it can be 8. So it says that we must add 2 with 6, it's going to be 8. If we add 3 with 5, it's going to be 8, right? If we add 4 with 4, it is going to be 5, right? If we add 5 with 3, 6 with 2, 6 1, it's not going to, right? So how many how many are the events which are going to fulfill condition B? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. There is going to be 5 out of 36. Okay. The formula I showed you, I am trying to keep it as simple as possible to like make you understand. Okay, so that's why I'm not going into any fancy functions and all, doing it like how we. So now the to get the result, we have to first get probability of A intersection B. So when you look at here, probability of A intersection B, okay, the other events, how many times did they intersect? Only one, right? Only one. So you can say that, write it like this. Okay. So this one is A intersection B is 5 out of 36, right? No, sorry, 1 out of 36 it's going to be. Out of total 36 events, there is going to one event when this is going to intersect. 1 out of 36 is the probability of B. Probability of B is 5 out of 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of total 36. Right? 5 out of 36 comes in, it should be by 6, 6, 5, 5 by. Now, if you want to solve this one, it will come to 5 by 36. Right? Mathematically, you know, like dividing by fraction is reciprocal to the multiplying by its reciprocal. So it will come to this. Now, if you solve this, 13.88, the answer. So have kept the solution very simple just to explain it better. I did not go into how to calculate with formula and function. So there are 33.88 chances when 0.89 actually. The answer is 3.89, and you're going to fulfill both of these. It will have a goal, it will have. That's it for this video. If you guys have any questions, you can drop in those in the comment box. Okay.